In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make calls from Zoho CRM. If you want to quickly contact a lead or customer without leaving your CRM, Zoho makes the process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can place a call directly from a contact record. To get started, open your Zoho CRM account and sign in. Make sure you're on the main dashboard and that your account is fully loaded before moving to the next step. This helps avoid missing menu options or opening the wrong section by accident. Once you're inside Zoho CRM, go to the sales area and then click on Contacts. This is where you'll find the people stored in your CRM, along with their key details, such as phone numbers, email addresses, and other customer information. If you have a lot of contacts, take a moment to locate the correct one before opening it. That way, you'll be sure you're calling the right person. Next, click on the specific contact you want to call. This will open that contact's full record, where you can review their details before placing the call. It's always a good idea to quickly confirm that you've selected the correct contact, especially if there are similar names in your database. Inside the contact record, you'll see the phone number associated with that person. Near the phone number, there should be a call icon. To start the call, simply click that call icon. That's it. Zoho CRM will begin the calling process using the calling setup available in your account. If the call icon doesn't appear right away, make sure the contact actually has a phone number saved in the record. Also, keep in mind that calling features can depend on your Zoho CRM configuration or any telephony integration connected to your account. So if the option looks different on your screen, the overall process is still the same. Open the contact, find the phone number, and click the call option. This is a fast and convenient way to reach contacts while keeping everything organized inside your CRM. It also helps you work more efficiently because you don't need to switch between multiple tools just to place a call. That's how to make calls from Zoho CRM. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.